Ever felt your automatic shift weird, hesitate, or slam into gear for no reason? That's not age. That's damage in progress. Most drivers are destroying their transmissions without knowing it. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know the habits quietly turning smooth rides into $5,000 repair bills. Kicking things off with mistake number 15. Rolling gear shifts. You'd be shocked at how many transmissions die in parking lots. Not highways, parking lots. The damage starts the moment you shift from drive to reverse while the car is still rolling. Inside your transmission sits a tiny metal hook called the parking pawl. Its only job is to hold the car still, not stop it. Force it into place while moving, and you're slamming that hook into spinning gears. That grinding sound? That's metal begging for mercy. Do it enough times, and the pawl snaps. Now your car rolls even in park. Fixing that isn't cheap either. Transmission teardowns can run $1,500 to $3,000 depending on the damage. Even quick direction changes wear clutch packs and planetary gears. Automatics aren't built to absorb motion shock, they're built to shift when still. Pause. 1 full second. Let the car stop completely before switching gears. It feels small. It isn't. Your hand might be sabotaging the transmission without you knowing. Mistake number 14. Shifter resting habit. Resting your hand on the gear lever feels natural, comfortable, almost stylish. It's also slowly wrecking your transmission. That light pressure travels down to the shift fork and selector rail. Precision parts are designed for brief movement, not constant load. Even a few pounds of weight keeps those parts slightly engaged. Think of it like leaning on a door handle all day. Eventually, the latch wears out. Over time, this pressure causes premature wear, misalignment, and rough gear engagement. You may start feeling hesitation when shifting or delayed response. Repairs for internal selector wear can cross $1,000 fast, especially if metal shavings contaminate the fluid. And here's the safety angle. One hand on the shifter means one less hand on the wheel when something goes wrong. Pothole, sudden break, pedestrian. Reaction time drops instantly. Keep both hands on the wheel. Let the shifter do its job untouched. If you think hand pressure is bad, wait till you see what repeated engine starts are doing to your drivetrain. Mistake number 13. Short trip engine cycling. Short trips feel harmless. Grocery store, quick fuel stop. But constant engine restarts are brutal on automatic cars. Every startup drains massive battery power to fire the starter, fuel pump, ECU, and injectors at once. If you're only driving 5 minutes between stops, the alternator never fully recharges that loss. Your battery lives in deficit mode. Your starter motor, overworked. Inside the engine, the first few seconds after startup show low oil pressure. That's metal moving without full lubrication. Consumer Reports estimates one cold start equals up to 500 miles of internal wear. Do 5 or 6 short trips daily, and you're fast-tracking engine and transmission aging without realizing it. Automatic transmissions suffer too, because the fluid hasn't fully warmed or circulated before shutdown. Best move? Combine errands. Let the car run long enough to reach full operating temp. It's kinder to the engine and your wallet, but even if you drive longer, outdated vehicle software could still be working against you. Mistake number 12. Overpowering stock transmissions. Bolting on power feels exciting. Louder exhaust. Bigger turbo. Aggressive tune. The car feels alive. Your transmission? Not so much. Most stock automatics are built for factory torque levels, not boosted horsepower spikes. Add power without upgrading the transmission, and you're forcing clutch packs, bands, and torque converters to absorb stress they were never designed for. Heat skyrockets. Fluid breaks down faster. Gear slip begins. Many stock automatics start failing once torque jumps just 20–30% above factory rating. Rebuild costs? Easily $3,000 to $5,000. Here's the trap. Damage doesn't show right away. It builds quietly, then fails all at once. If performance matters, build the transmission first, not last. Because power without support is just destruction in slow motion. If you're learning something new, hit subscribe now. More habits like this are saving drivers thousands. Speaking of small habits causing big damage, shutting off your engine at the wrong moment hits harder than you think. Mistake number 11. Engine off before park. It feels harmless. You pull in, twist the key off, then shift to park. Big mistake. When the engine shuts down before the transmission locks into park, drivetrain load stays active. The vehicle's weight can rest on internal components instead of the parking pawl alone. On slopes, it's worse. The car rolls slightly before locking. That rolling shock slams the parking mechanism into place. Do it often, and you'll hear clunks when shifting later. That's internal wear talking. Parking pawl repairs require transmission disassembly. Costs climb past $2,000 fast. Here's the right sequence. Foot on the brake. Shift to park. Engage the parking brake, then shut the engine off. 2 extra seconds. Thousands saved. If you think shutdown timing matters, wait till you see what flooring the gas from a stop is doing to your transmission. Mistake number 10. Hard launch starts. That green light drops, and you floor it like you're at a drag strip. Feels fun, sounds strong, but inside your automatic, chaos just exploded. From a dead stop, torque converters multiply engine torque before it even reaches the gears. Flooring it sends shock loads through clutch packs, gear sets, and drive shafts instantly. Cold fluid makes it worse. Thick oil cushions less, so metal takes the hit. Repeated hard launches overheat fluid, glaze clutch plates, and warp internal seals. Transmission temps can spike 50F higher under aggressive launches. Heat is the hack one killer of automatics. Repair bills? $2,500 to $4,000 once slipping begins. Smooth acceleration extends transmission life dramatically. Fast starts feel good for seconds. Repair payments last months. But speed isn't the only silent killer. Sometimes the damage happens while you're barely moving at all. Mistake number 9. Drive gear idling. Sitting in traffic feels harmless. Foot on the brake. Gear in drive. Engine humming quietly. But inside the transmission, nothing is resting. When your car idles in drive, the torque converter is still spinning fluid under pressure. Heat builds fast, and heat is the #1 killer of automatic transmissions. Transmission fluid works best around 175 F. Sit long enough in drive, and temps can climb past 220 F without you knowing. That heat thins the fluid. Thin fluid can't lubricate or cool properly. Clutches begin to slip. Seals harden. Internal wear speeds up. Do this daily in traffic or drive-through lines, and you're slowly cooking your transmission without moving an inch. Here's the fix. Simple but powerful. If you're stopped longer than 60 seconds, shift to park or neutral. Let the system relax. Fluid temps stabilize. Wear slows down. It's one small habit shift that can add years to your gearbox. The next mistake abuses your brakes just as badly. Mistake number 8. Brake panic tailgating. Riding someone's bumper doesn't make traffic move faster. It just makes your car suffer more. Automatics glide so smoothly that speed feels slower than it is. That false calm tricks drivers into following too close until brake lights flash ahead. Then comes the panic stomp. Hard braking dumps extreme heat into pads and rotors. Do it often, and you'll warp rotors, glaze pads, and burn through brake life twice as fast. A full brake job can run $400 to $800, depending on your car, but the transmission pays too. Every sudden brake forces abrupt downshifts. Internal clutch packs engage violently. Over time, that shock shortens transmission life. Smooth drivers last longer, mechanically and financially. Leave space. Lift early. Let engine braking assist your stop. Your brakes run cooler. Your shifts stay smooth. Your wallet stays heavier. But even smooth drivers make this next mistake, especially in the morning. Mistake number 7. Cold engine revving. Starting your car and revving it right away feels harmless. Some even think it warms the engine faster. It doesn't. It damages it faster. When an engine is cold, oil is thick. Thick oil flows slowly. That means moving parts, pistons, bearings, camshafts, run with less protection for the first few minutes. Revving during this window creates metal-on-metal friction, where fluid cushion should exist. Up to 60% of engine wear happens during cold starts. Add high RPM to that and wear multiplies fast. Fuel combustion is also less efficient when cold. That leads to carbon buildup on valves and plugs, choking performance over time. The smarter move: start the car. Let it idle 60-90 seconds. Drive gently for the first few minutes. Keep RPM low until full temperature. You're not wasting time, you're preserving the engine and transmission together. What many drivers do next is even worse than revving cold. Mistake number 6. The neutral roll myth. Some drivers still think coasting downhill in neutral saves fuel. It doesn't. That trick died with carburetors. Modern fuel-injected engines already cut fuel during deceleration while in gear. So when you shift to neutral, you're not saving gas, you're losing control. In neutral, engine braking disappears. Your brakes now carry the full load of slowing the car. On long descents, heat builds fast. Overheated brakes fade, weaken, and in extreme cases, fail completely. Now imagine needing sudden acceleration to avoid danger. You shift back to drive, but there's a delay. That split second can be the difference between safe and sorry. Worse, repeatedly shifting between neutral and drive while rolling stresses clutch packs and valve bodies inside the transmission. The smarter move? Stay in gear. Let engine braking assist your descent. Your brakes stay cooler. Your transmission stays healthier. Once heat gets trapped, the next mistake starts cooking parts from the inside out. Mistake number 5. Instant engine shutdown. You pull in after a hard drive, highway speeds, uphill pulls, maybe spirited acceleration, and immediately shut the engine off. Big mistake. After heavy driving, engine temps are at their peak. Oil and coolant are still circulating to pull heat away from critical parts. Shut the engine down instantly, and that circulation stops dead. Heat gets trapped, a condition called heat soak. Rubber hoses harden. Plastic components become brittle. Gaskets weaken. Over time, leaks begin forming silently. Turbocharged engines suffer even more. Turbos spin above 100,000 RPM and run extremely hot. Cutting oil flow too soon cooks turbo bearings, turning a healthy turbo into a $1,500 repair. The fix is really simple. After hard driving, let the engine idle 60-120 seconds before shutdown. That short cool down lets fluids stabilize temperatures safely. 1 minute of patience can save thousands. Mistake number 4. Deep water driving. That flooded street might look shallow, but under your car, danger sits low and hidden. Automatic transmissions have vent tubes, small openings that release internal pressure. Problem is, they also let water in. Once water enters, transmission fluid turns milky. Lubrication fails instantly. Internal clutch packs begin breaking down. Repair cost? Often $3,000 to $8,000. And that's just the transmission. If water enters the engine intake, hydrolock can occur. Unlike air, water doesn't compress. Pistons slam into liquid resistance, bending rods or cracking blocks in seconds. Even 12 inches of water can float a vehicle. Moving water? As little as 6 inches can sweep a car away. SUV ads make water crossings look easy. Reality is different for daily drivers. If you can't see the road surface beneath the water, don't cross it. While water destroys from the outside, the next mistake destroys from the inside through heat. Mistake number 3. Overheat neglect. That temperature gauge creeping up isn't a suggestion. It's a distress signal. Many drivers see the needle climb and think, I'll deal with it later. Later is how engines die. Once overheating starts, metal expands fast. Cylinder heads warp. Head gaskets blow. Coolant passages crack. What begins as a $40 coolant issue can snowball into a $2,500 engine rebuild. The transmission suffers too. Automatic transmission fluid breaks down rapidly above 220F. It loses lubricating strength, burns clutch packs, and causes slipping shifts. By the time you smell something burning, damage is already happening. Here's the rule. If the gauge climbs, pull over. Shut the engine off. Let it cool fully before opening the radiator. Never pour cold water into a hot engine. Thermal shock can crack metal instantly. Overheating is one warning you never gamble with. Neglect doesn't stop at temperature, it spreads into maintenance too. Mistake number 2. Service skip syndrome. There's a myth that automatics need less maintenance. That myth is expensive. Automatic transmissions are complex systems. Fluid lines, solenoids, valve bodies, sensors, clutch packs, all working in sync. Skip service, and that harmony breaks down. Industry data shows nearly 75% of drivers delay scheduled maintenance, not because they forget, because the car still feels fine, but fluid degrades silently. Filters clog quietly, sensors drift slowly. That $250 service you postpone can become a $4,000 transmission rebuild. Transmission fluid alone loses effectiveness after 30,000, 60,000 miles, depending on driving habits. Waiting for symptoms is like waiting for smoke before checking the oven. Stay ahead instead. Follow service intervals. Replace fluids on time. Inspect seals and cooling lines regularly. Preventive care always costs less than reactive repair. This is the habit almost every automatic driver denies, but many secretly do. Mistake number 1. 2-foot driving. Resting your left foot on the brake while driving feels harmless. Some call it better control. It's not control, it's constant damage. Even light pressure causes brake drag. Pads stay partially engaged. Heat builds non-stop. Rotors warp. Calipers overheat. Brake life can drop by 50% or more. A full brake replacement? $300 to $800 depending on the vehicle. But safety is the bigger risk. In emergencies, 2-foot drivers often hit both pedals. Panic overrides muscle memory. That confusion delays reaction time, sometimes fatally. Automatics are designed for 1-foot driving. The right foot handles both the gas and the brake. Cleaner input. Faster reactions. Less mechanical wear. Unless you're racing on a track, ditch the 2-foot habit completely. Small driving habits don't just wear parts, they quietly destroy your automatic car from the inside out. Small habits create big repair bills, but now you know better. If this saved you money, hit like, share it with another driver, and subscribe. And don't stop here, watch Stop Ruining Your Engine. Do this instead. Your transmission will thank you later.